Okay, good morning, my dear friends. We are passing on to the very last problem under this chapter, not for profit organization. That is problem number 24. It is the problem related to Virudhunagar Volleyball Association. So, in the books of Virudhunagar Volleyball Association. What we are supposed to prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 2018 and the balance sheet as on the date. Therefore, we should prepare income and expenditure account, income and expenditure account, income and expenditure account for the year ended ended 31/12/2018. As I repeatedly said, it is an account, therefore you write on the left hand side corner debtor and the right hand side corner creditor. This is income and expenditure account, but you start with expenditure, income, okay. Now we shall go to the expenditure side. Match expenses. To match expenses. Match expenses 25,000. Then the second item, upkeep of pavilion, that is maintenance of pavilion, that is nothing but maintenance. Upkeep of pavilion. Upkeep of pavilion 17,000. Then the next item, secretary's honorarium. Secretary's honorarium. Secretary's honorarium 18,000. The next item, expense is bats and balls purchased. To bats and balls purchased. That is purchase of bats and balls 22,000. Then the next item is grass seeds. Grass seeds 2000. the next item is fixed deposit, which will not appear under income and expenditure account, leave it. Then the last expenditure is sundry expenses. Sundry expenses. Sundry expenses. 3,000. Sundry expenses 3,000. Then we shall pass on to the income side. The very first item is subscription. Subscription for this year, 17 subscription for this year is 55,000. By subscription, 55,000. This is the only amount meant for this year given under receipts and payments. If there is any additional information, go to the additional information point number 2. Subscription rupees 5,000 related to 2017. It is for the previous year. Subscription due for the year 2018. So, and outstanding for this 2018. And outstanding 6,000. So totally 61,000 is the subscription meant for this year 2018. Then the next item is legacies. Legacy should appear under balance sheet, that too under liability side. Then next one is rent from hall. The next item is rent from hall. By rent from hall. By rent from hall. Then the next item is after subscription, the next item is donations. By donations, it is just a oversight. By donations, 40,000. 40,000. Match fund receipts. Match fund receipts. Fund receipts. Match fund receipts. 30,000. Match fund receipts 30,000. The next income item is interest on fixed deposits. Interest on fixed deposits. Fixed deposits. 8,000. And the last income is miscellaneous receipts. Miscellaneous receipts. Miscellaneous receipts 5,000. Check once again the additional information given and see that anything is missing. The first additional information should come under balance sheet. Second one is not meant for this year. Third one is meant for this year, already we have done. So we can close and find whether income is greater or expenditure is greater. We shall find first. For 1,44,000. Here, this amount is income 1,44,000 and expenditure is 87,000. So the greatest total is 1,44,000. You write on both sides, and the balancing figure is 57,000. The balancing figure is 57,000. Here, the income is greater than the expenditure, therefore, income is surplus. So, to surplus excess of income over expenditure. Excess of income over expenditure. Yes, now I shall repeat it once again. We are supposed to prepare income and expenditure account for the problem number 24 first. Here what we should select, I have told you very many times in other classes, on the heading itself we must be very careful. Income and expenditure account for the year ended, we are writing the last date of the accounting year. And when you are writing inside the box, you should not write income and expenditure there. Here expenditure and income you should write. You must be very careful. If you change the side, even if your particulars are correct, you will not be awarded marks, because you should remember where the expenditure should appear on the debit side. Okay? Right. Now, when we select the items from the given problem, what we should bear it in mind? What we should bear in mind? Here, we should select only the revenue item, leave the capital items. We should select only the amount which is related to this accounting year. Second point. Third one, don't consider the balance brought down and the balance carried down. We should bear it in mind, these three. One, we should select only the revenue items. Number should not select capital. Number two, the amount related to this accounting year, whether it is received or not, whether it is paid or not, we should write it. That is the second point. Third one, very important one, don't consider the balance brought down and carried down, because they are all assets and liabilities. Okay, with that, If we select the expenses, we can write the match expenses, upkeep of pavilion, secretaries, honorarium, bats and balls purchased, grass seeds, sundry expenses. These are all the revenue expenses what we have returned. And regarding the income, subscription meant for this year 2018 is 55,000 only, which is given under receipt side. Anything, any amount which is connected with this 2018 year is given under additional information. If you go there, what we can see, the additional information amount connected with this subscription is only 6,000 for the year 2018. Therefore, add that outstanding and write 61. Donation, it is an income. Match fund receipts 30,000. Interest on fixed deposit, it is an income. Miscellaneous receipt, it is also an income. And once again I remind you, here match expenses, here match fund receipts. When there is a fund receipt and expenses, and if you are asked to take the excess amount, that is excess of receipt over expenses, should be kept as a reserve. If there is any instruction like that, you take these 2 points, these 2 items to the balance sheet liability side and do it there, write minus 25,000 minus this 30,000 minus 25,000, 5,000, you can write that. But here, if there is no such a condition, what you should do, you should write the receipts on the income side and the expenses on the expenditure side. So, after writing all these things, if you find the total income side 1,44,000 and the expenditure side 87,000, and therefore the balancing figure is 57,000. Here income is excess and expenditure is lesser. Therefore, the balancing figure on the expenditure side is 57,000. Since the income is excess, it is surplus. Therefore, excess of income over expenditure.